Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Backyard Fireworks. Hope everybody's having a great day. And today we're going to be looking at the Sky Song firework assortment that I picked up from the Fireworks Superstore. And if you haven't watched the unboxing video, I will link that in the description, and make sure you watch that after you finish this video. But yeah, we're going to light all these fireworks off, and I got all these fireworks for 40 bucks. So it was like $39.99. So all these and everything you see in the frame is all the stuff we are going to light off today. I may not light everything like this, some of the boring stuff, but I'll definitely go through at least some of it so you guys can get an idea of what we got. I probably won't throw these snaps just because you guys don't want to see that. But everything else we'll try to light here. And yeah, we'll light some of these off in the daytime, and obviously when it gets dark, we'll light all these bigger cakes off. And this cake is really sketchy on the bottom. I'm not sure if they're going to light. And it looks like there might be a little rip in the bottom of one of the tubes, so yeah, that'll be interesting. But yeah, let's go light some of these off. Okay, we're gonna light these smoke bombs off here. Yes, I know the grass is tall, but guys, I have 100 acres of land, so it'd be kind of hard to cut all the grass. I know some people get mad when they see the long grass and they think that I should cut it, but they don't realize how long that would take to cut. But we're going to try to light all these off. Probably not all at the same time, even though I'm kind of wanting to. It never happens the way I want it. So just start off by lighting as many as we can. We got 3. No surprise here what these do. Some beautiful smoke. Let's go light these other ones. Got them. Barely got that last one. Some pretty colors. My one was way better than the other ones, actually. I don't know why that was. Okay, the next one we got these little things you pull. They go by a bunch of different names. Sorry if the camera's shaking. I'm holding it currently in between my legs, so it's kind of difficult to hold it. Oh man, there we go. Well, that's a fail. The first one's a dud. Okay, what is going on? I know I'm not doing these wrong. There we go. They're normally called booby traps, but oh my gosh, these are all duds. What is going on? I don't know if they're old or what, but I didn't have the assortment for too long. I bought it like a month ago. Look at this. They're all just not working. Oh! Man, that kind of made my ears ring as soon as I say they aren't working. Okay, well, this is disappointing, to say the least. There it goes. Finally. Man, all these are just not working. The ones that did work, though, are definitely louder than the normal booby traps that I have. Well, that sucks. Okay, the next one we got is a 100-shot Saturn missile. You can see there's some evidence of some fireworks a video or two ago. I always like to leave them out. You can see they're faded because I always like to leave them out in their weather so I don't throw them in the trash when they're still hot. Even if I put water on them, I'd rather them just soak outside, or just so there's no chance of a fire. This fuse. Man, that actually seemed a lot louder than normal Saturn missiles. Maybe it's because I don't get some with reports, but no, they all definitely have to have reports. But man, Sky Song Saturn missile was pretty heavy, not gonna lie. Okay, we're gonna wait until it gets dark. I'm not gonna throw these snaps just because I know people comment on my videos when they do throw them that they don't like them, but I might make a video just for a comparison snap video, just so, because people that click on are obviously gonna want to see snaps. So yeah, comment below if you want to see that, but I'm not going to throw it in this video. I want to wait to light all these in the dark. Obviously, Disco Flash, these are made for the dark. Even the ground blooms, I want to wait till these get dark. Or ground flowers, whatever they are. Ground bloom flower. But yeah, all this other stuff is definitely for the nighttime, and yeah, let's wait till it gets dark. Okay, here go the flashers. It lasted like 20 seconds. Let's move on to those ground blooms. Here goes some ground blooms. Okay, let's light a few more. Here go 2 more. Got 2 more left. Okay, here goes this little happy cake. Man, that was pretty quick. That was nice. I like that little happy one. Okay, here goes that heavy fountain. The summer resort. Man, I had some pretty colors. Nice longevity too. That was a pretty nice one, as I mentioned at the end. Here goes the butterfly in flowers. Set that down. You see, it's got a pretty nice little sized tube for it being in this box. Usually they look a lot skinnier than that. Okay, let's light the next box fountain. And the next one is the golden flower. This one looks more traditional, a little box fountain than the other one. Very short. Okay, here goes the heart of the devil. With the weird old brain, I don't know what that's about. Situate this. Okay, here goes this 19 shot color. Well, that was actually pretty weak, not gonna lie. Okay, here goes desert at night. Oh man, it never gets old. I love that one. Okay, we're gonna do these 6 artillery shells. We're gonna work our way from here up to here, and then we're gonna hit the Roman candles and then the 200-gram cakes. Okay, here goes the first one. Wow, I wasn't expecting those to be that big. Here goes a second one. Fuses are ginormous on these for some reason. Gosh dang, those are some of the hardest hitting ball shells I've seen in a while. Here goes the third one. Another pretty one. I think this one's gonna be red. It's got the little red string on it. We'll see if that's the case. Yep, pretty dang cool too. Okay, one more. Oh, you gotta shine. Okay, the fuse was kind of broke off the top, so hopefully this does not explode in the tube. We'll see. Ooh, I had almost a little willow in it. That was nice. Here goes the last one. It looks like we got a grayish string, so I'm not sure what color we got here. Be cool if it was completely willow. Yep, it was. It was completely willow. That's awesome. Okay, we're gonna try to light 2 of these off at the same time. I'm not sure if we got them both or not. Okay, I think I only got one. I'm gonna try to get 2 more. Okay, let's see if I can get 2 of them this time. The reports were kind of weak. Had to have got them both that time, I think. Alright, we got one more candle, then we're gonna light those 2 cakes. Well, on the last candle, the fuse actually got ripped out, but you guys probably don't want to see that anyway. Let's write those cakes. Okay, here goes one of those sketchy 200-gram cakes. was actually really pretty. Okay, that was a nice little 6-shot. Went very smooth and it was actually very pretty. I think this is the more sketchy of the two. You can see the bottom there is a little messed up. Hopefully it goes off all nice and swell. We'll see. Well, that went off good too, man. It was pretty nice. The last one was 6 shots as well. Those were both pretty cool. They went up super high. And man, guys, I can't get over these little dragon ball shell. These were really nice. These artillery assortment. I know I see them everywhere, but I swear these are different than the ones I normally like. Because those had a lot more hit than the other ones I normally get. But man, this assortment, you know, I was kind of skeptical at the beginning when I did my unboxing video, because when I unboxed everything, it didn't look like there was a whole lot there. But man, I'll tell you what, it definitely changed my mind after lighting those ball shells, because those alone I would probably pay 15 bucks, 10, 15 for, and that's half the assortment. And these two cakes easily go for 5 or 10 if they're just sold regularly. But yeah, guys, if you liked the video, as always, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a ton. And as always, hope you have a great and wonderful day. Peace.